Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are taking a look at the first FPV footage of the DJI Action 2. Does it overheat and how does it do? In two different resolutions. I'm shooting today with 2.7K in 60 frames and 1080p in 30 frames. To get an impression how the Action 2 is doing in different lighting conditions, we are shooting around sunset, just before to just after. Let's take a look right after the intro. Hey guys, it's Matt and welcome back to the channel. Today we are testing the DJI Action 2, slapping it on an FPV quad, the AOS 5.5 in that case, and flying it. So how does it do? Does it stack up to the GoPro experience we usually have? Or is it falling behind? Or is it better? Just decide for yourself and leave your comments below. Design-wise, I love the Action 2. The system, how it's clapping onto everything with the magnets and then the brackets holding it in place and securing it, it's just great, it works. If more protection is needed, there will be multiple cases available, including charging cases, where the camera itself can be charged over the case. I have some on order and will discuss that in future videos. Okay, let's go fly guys. Until this point in the flight we had good lighting conditions. It was before sunset, shooting in 2.7K at 60 frames per second. From now we are shooting in 1080p in 30 frames per second to just test this out, and the lighting conditions are not as good as before. Therefore, it's not an apple-to-apple comparison, but that is never the case. However, we can see how it is fighting low light conditions and if the image quality is still usable. We are back, and the quad feels great with the lighter camera. That is a very strong advantage. Besides that, we have 24% left and we were flying multiple batteries. That's also not really an issue I'm seeing. Getting the files off the camera, well, that takes some time and that is a downside. The image quality I quite like. I don't really see an issue with that. It's quite usable, especially in normal lighting conditions. In low light conditions, all cameras are fighting. Heat is also definitely not a problem for FPV. In other situations, it's heating up on the outside because the cooling system just works. It is designed like this, made from metal. A plastic GoPro is just keeping the heat on the inside and the software allows a GoPro to run hotter, so it's not shutting down. But that's not necessarily a good thing and puts a lot of stress on the battery. If you enjoyed the flight, destroy that like button, subscribe to the channel, that would be really appreciated. And as always guys, thanks for watching, have a great rest of the day, stay safe and see you in the next one.